Hi, hi, friends. We have some spring weeds growing. Can you spot two of them? I see two different kinds. I see this one. Do you remember? With the lion's sharp teeth. Dandelion. What about this one? This is called plantain. Sometimes people even call it Band-Aid plant. With permission from your adult at home, you can do this activity. If you were to get a scratch or a bump on your leg or your arm and you wanted it to feel a little better, you could use this Band-Aid plant by picking one of the leaves. And you can break it up into teeny tiny little pieces and kind of mush it in between your fingers till there's juice coming out. And then, see I have a scratch right here? I could put that on my scratch. Hold it for a little bit. And it might help. I'll leave that there for a bit. Another option you could do is pick a leaf and chew it for a little bit and break it up that way. But you definitely need to have permission from your adult at home to do that. Maybe you can discover plantain or this Band-Aid plant growing in your yard. All right, talk to you later. Bye.